Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit product image on Canva. So I've already added my product image in here and I want to edit it. So the first thing that you need to do is upload the photo into Canva. You can do that in here by clicking on the upload files. And then when you done uploading, you can just add it to the blank page like this. Then I'm going to change the color background into plain white like this, and then to add more dramatic effect I'm going to add some shadow into the product. So just click on the product and click on edit image and just go to shadow here, and then you can just choose which one that you think fits your product the best. There is glow, drop, angle, curved, page lift, and also the backdrop. So I'm going to just use the drop and you can adjust it. Okay, you can adjust the offset. I'm going to go with 2, and the angle. Okay, I'm going to go with this. And you can also adjust the transparency. I'm going to go with 25. And here you can also add some blur. Okay, I'm going to go with 7. And after that, you can just click on apply. And if you want, you can also adjust the size of your photos. Okay, I'm going to make it a little big. And after that, you can just place it in the center like this. And you can just save it. And I suggest you save it as a PNG image like this. And if you want, you can also use transparent background, but I don't. And after that, just click on download. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye!